Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make candy cane hearts. Alright, I thought these would be fun for the holidays, and they're fast, easy, little cute treats. So first you need mini candy canes. So I got this pack of 40, and as you see I just arranged them into heart shapes on wax paper. Then you need some white melting chocolate, and then some kind of decoration. So I have sprinkles, and then I have these cute little sprinkles that came with our gingerbread family that I'm going to put on that too. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and put your white chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments until it is completely melted. Okay, that is nice and melted, so now I'm going to stick that in a Ziploc bag for piping. Okay, now I'm just going to cut the edge off of this, the very tip, and pipe these into the candy canes, and just do a couple at a time so you can add your sprinkles because I'm sure it's going to dry fast. Okay, so what I did was after I had all of my white chocolate melted and put in my piping bag, I cut off the tip, and then I just filled in about 3 at a time, and then you take a toothpick and you can sort of flatten it all out in there to make it look pretty. Just be sure you don't overflow it too much. And then immediately put your sprinkles on. And now we're going to go ahead and put these in the refrigerator so they can set up the rest of the way. Probably only about 15 minutes. It's not going to take very long. Alright, these are all set up and ready to go, and they look so cute. Now we're going to have Taste Tester have a little taste. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Yeah, yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't get a like and subscribe.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I like it.
Bye.
Bye.